Meantime, the county public health department is fighting the spread of COVID-19 in a number of ways. One of the most important and least visible is contact tracing, the meticulous and painstaking process of connecting the dots of possible exposure. 17's Robert Price has more.
People who test positive for COVID-19 must take a number of steps to overcome the virus before it overcomes them. But they must also work with the County Department of Public Health. It's the job of public health to reach out to the people who those positive cases have been in recent contact with. And so begins the process known as contact tracing. It's a daunting job. County Public Health currently has 90 staff members doing this contact tracing work, most of whom were reassigned from their regular departments and retrained. Several teams of contact tracers are on the job daily, targeting specific groups. Stephanie Carmona and team leader Lisa Amarias focus on the family members and other close contacts of the individuals who've tested positive for COVID-19. Most of the people they call appreciate their work, but once in a while,
our job is just like any other job. In any profession, you're going to have hard days, you're going to have hard situations that you have to deal with. But the most we can do is just kind of smile and move on. You know, we take it in stride, and if we have a difficult person, you know, we talk to our coworkers about it. We maybe vent if we have to, but you know, all we can do is just help as much as we can. If you can't, get through to someone, you just can't get through to someone, and we just move on.
Our job is to, educate them on the precautionary measures. But all that other stuff, that's beyond my expertise.
Contact tracers will ask who lives in the home, what kind of work they do, and whether they've taken public transportation, carpooled, attended public or family gatherings, or traveled outside Kern County in the last 2 weeks. It's a tedious and demanding job. Last week, Kern County exceeded 1,100 new cases and 9 people for every new case. That's 10,000 calls a day. Could that be right?
I mean, yeah.
We make a lot of calls.
The math is correct on that, yeah.
Contact tracers play an essential role in the fight against COVID-19. We salute the doctors and nurses who've taken up the fight. We should be saluting the contact tracers as well. In downtown Bakersfield, Robert Price, 17 News.
Well, you got that right, Bob. Well, the job of contact tracing is so vital, public health is in the process of expanding from 90 full-time contact tracers to 135. And this week, by the way, Bakersfield College started a 1-week course in contact tracing with a second cohort to begin soon. For more information, you can contact Bakersfield College and get the details there.